Searching for specific apps on your iPhone? Let's learn how to do it quickly and efficiently. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to search for apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, swipe down and open the search tab on your iPhone. Once you are in the search tab, tap on the search bar and type in the name of the app that you are looking for. When you see the app that you are searching for in the search results, simply tap on it. This will open the app directly from the search results. And this is how you can search apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.